Welcome to our channel. Today we came up with a new tutorial. Most of our subscriber has messages regarding how to batch rotate multiple images in Ms. Word. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to batch rotate multiple images in a Word document in just a few seconds. In addition to having strong word processing capabilities, Word can also do image processing. For instance, using the picture tools in the ribbon, you can edit one image at a time. You are aware that the built-in feature can completely meet your need to rotate a single image. In this tutorial, we will show you how to batch rotate multiple images to the same degree. Now, let's go through the topic. Method 1. Rotate multiple images to the selected images only. Firstly, make a selection over several images. You have to select the images like you select the letters and words. Now press Alt plus F11 to open VBA Editor in Word, or you can go to Developer menu and click Visual Basic. Next click on Normal and click Insert tab in the main menu. Then choose and select Module. Open the new module by double-clicking on it. Then on the editing space on the right, paste the following codes. Next click on Run. There will be an input dialog box where you can enter a rotation degree. And click it to proceed. Here you go. You have succeeded in rotating the images you have selected in a Word document in just few seconds. Method 2. Rotate all images in a document. Now with this method you can rotate all the images in document at once with this code. Paste this code in the module window and click Run. Now input a rotation degree in the input box. Just enter a number and click OK to proceed. Here you go. You have succeeded in rotating all the images in the Word document in just few seconds.